Hey, Meg!
Oh, her legs.
This fun? You're still smiling. That
What do you think, Henry? What do you think, Gav? You're lounging. Look at that. You got a nice little pillow. Yeah. Grandpa set you up, didn't he?
Take care of you. Come on,
Yeah. Oh, you want to go? Oh, okay.
Let's go, Sam. Come on, you old pony. Come on, you old pony. Woo! Oh, that was fast.